guys, my name is Nuriat Muhammad. Welcome to my channel Nuri's Nature. This is my first video on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can laminate your eyebrows at home using relaxer. Yes, I just said relaxer. So we're going to do this together and you're going to see how it goes. Okay, so if you want to see how to laminate your eyebrows at home using relaxer, shampoo, conditioner, just like you're relaxing your hair, you're palming your hair, then sit back and stay. So for those of you who don't know what eyebrow lamination is, it's basically like you're palming your eyebrows, okay, to make it look more defined and give it this very beautiful shape. Okay, so that's basically what eyebrow lamination is, to set your eyebrows and make it look very defined. Okay, lovely, so let's jump right into the video. Okay, so this is me trying to prepare my face for the eyebrow lamination. So all I'm doing here is using a wipe to clean round my brows, you know. In the absence of no wipes, you can use a methylated spirit and a cotton wool, yes, to clean round your eyebrows. So after doing that, all you have to do is to use a spooling brush to brush your eyebrows upwards, just like I am doing. So you brush your eyebrows upwards, keep brushing, brush them till they are kind of straight, you know, straight upwards. So after brushing with the spooling brush, next step to take is to apply petroleum jelly around your brows. But guys, please bear with me, okay? I'm a little bit distracted. I'm watching football and I'm so distracted, so bear with me in this video. So like I said, the next step I'll be doing is to apply petroleum jelly around my brows. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is petroleum jelly on my finger and I'll apply it up and below the brows. I'm going to do this on both brows, okay? The importance of doing this is just to protect your skin from the relaxer you'll be applying on your brows. So it's important not to skip this step, and you can use any petroleum jelly of your choice. You can use Vaseline, but what I'm using here is a Vaseline or a petroleum jelly called Passion. So once I'm done applying the petroleum jelly around my brows, the next step I'll be taking is to apply the relaxer on my brows, okay? So I'll be using a cotton bud to apply the relaxer on my brows, and you can actually use any relaxer of your choice. Here I'm using relaxer from Ozone, and this relaxer is fortified with shea butter and olive oil. So while I'm applying the relaxer on my brows, I'm just gonna make a quick announcement, guys. Yes, I know I've got hyperpigmentation on my face, I've got dark circles, I've got dark hands and all of that, but please ignore all of that, okay, and concentrate on the purpose of this video. Thank you. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and please give this video a thumbs up, okay? And I forgot to mention, please, when you apply the relaxer on your brows, be very careful not to spill it into your eyes, okay? It's very pepperish when it goes into your eyes, so be very careful. So the next step here is to use a leather. You can use a clean fin actually. If you don't have that, you can use just a normal leather. So I'm using a leather here to, laminate my brows. This is where the word lamination comes in. So I'm going to laminate my brows with this leather and leave the relaxer to sit on for 5 minutes. So this is me trying to set like a timer for 5 minutes. So guys, 5 minutes is up, and this is me taking off the leather, trying to use a tissue to clean off the excess relaxer left on my brows before using wipes. Oops, sorry, not wipes, before using shampoo and conditioner. So this is just me literally using the tissue to take off the relaxer from my brows. Make sure to clean the brows very well with the tissue paper, and after doing that, the next I'll be applying a shampoo, and I'll be using shampoo from Head and Shoulders. So all you have to do is to take a little shampoo on your finger and apply it. Oops, sorry about that. Just take a little again. Please guys, be careful, don't let the shampoo get into your eyes. You know what soap does to your eyes, yeah? So apply the shampoo on your brows, and then wash the shampoo using your finger. Just keep washing like so. So once I'm done washing my brows, all I'll do is to use a wipe to clean off the shampoo off my brows, like so, like I am doing right now. Okay, so after cleaning the shampoo off, you need to apply another shampoo and wash it for the second time. So you'll be sure you washed off all the shampoo, all the relaxer from your brows. So I'll be applying the shampoo now again, and after doing that, I'll still scrub and wash. Okay. Lest I forget, you can use water to actually wash out the relaxer shampoo. You can use water to do all the washing instead of using wipes, but I would advise you to use a tissue to clean off the relaxer at the first step before using water to wash off your face. So this is me washing and scrubbing my brows again, trying to make sure that the relaxer is off my brows. actually wanted to like fast forward all of these processes, guys, but then I just thought that it would be nice to show every damn step I took to do this process. So after washing it the second time, after washing the brows for the second time, you still use a wipe to clean off the shampoo off your face, okay? Just like so. And once you're done cleaning off the shampoo, the next step you should take is to apply the conditioner on your brows. So this is me trying to make sure that the shampoo is off my brows, cleaning it well, very, very well. So once I'm done cleaning off my brows after shampooing for the second time, the next I'll be doing is to be applying the conditioner on my brows, and I'll be using a conditioner from XHC. It's a banana flavored conditioner, which is very, very, very nice for the hair. You know, banana is good for the hair actually, and then this very conditioner makes the hair very, very soft. So I'll apply the conditioner on my brows, and guys, can you just see what's going on my brows? Can you see how straight my brows looks already? I am so excited. I really cannot wait to see the end results. So this is me just applying the conditioner on my brows, and after applying the conditioner, you still have to let the conditioner sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after applying the conditioner, all you need to do is to use a leather or cling film to kind of laminate your brows, just like you did in the first step after applying the relaxer. So I don't have a cling film, guys, so I'm going to be using a leather, just like you can see. So I'm going to let this sit for 5 minutes. So guys, I've had this for about 7 minutes, and I'll be taking it off now. After taking off the leather, next step is to use a wipe to clean off the conditioner from my brows. I'm gonna do this twice, okay? So just in case the second part is not in this video, I skipped that, okay? So I used the wipes to clean off the conditioner like twice. So in essence, all you have to do is to make sure you wash your brows properly. So you be sure you took off all the relaxer, conditioner and shampoo off your brows. So that's what I'm trying to do here, trying to use different wipes to keep cleaning and cleaning and cleaning until I am totally sure that I have gotten everything off my brows. So make sure you clean it off properly, okay? So after doing this, the next is to be applying oil. So I have this oil I mixed. Is a hair growth oil mixed with different oils which are good for the hair. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'll put down everything I used in this eye lamination process down the description box, including the oils I mixed. I'll be listing all the oils I mixed together to formulate the hair growth oil. But guys, check my brows out. Can't you see how defined it looks? So guys, in this bottle I have the oils I'll be applying on my brows, and I'll be using a spooling brush to apply the oil on my brows, okay? So I just dipped in the spooling brush into the bottle and apply it on my brows. So don't mind me guys, I dipped in all the spooling brush in the bottle, forgetting that the bottle was filled with oil, and all I'm trying to do here is to get the excess oil off the brush. But it seems the oil is still too much on the brush, yes, just like I said. So all I'll do is try to reduce the oil from the brush, so I could just brush it smoothly on my brows, okay? So that's what I'm doing here, trying to get the excess oil off the brush. So I still have excess oil on this spooling brush, so all I'll be doing after this is to use a towel to clean the oil around my brows, just like so. Guys, can you see how defined my brow looks already? It looks so defined. I could brush it up and then it goes up just like I want it to be, and look at it. I would also be giving you guys tips on how to grow your brows, okay? And that's going to be another video for another day. But guys, come on, just check this out. It works like magic, okay? So if you don't have money to buy the kits, because the kit is kind of expensive, so if you don't have money to buy the kit, you can just do this at home and still look beautiful. Just look at it. So if you watched this video till this very moment, then I hope you learned how to laminate your eyebrows at home. I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below, any observation, and if you want to try it, you can try, please, and give me a review down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, okay? Put on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post any video. Thank you, and see you in my next video.